March Double Shot Kit. The Double Shot Kit comes out every month and includes 2 brand new collections, including cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. So this is the smaller of our kits, so it's perfect if you want to dip your toe in the water and try out some of the kits and just receive a smaller sampling of brand new products every single month. This month's collections are Jen Hatfield, Chasing Adventures, and Pink Fresh Everyday Musings. Both of these collections are going to be perfect to scrapbook just everyday moments, but also if you have a vacation, a road trip, or a big adventure, down to our little bitty small adventures every single day. So let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these collections. First, let's look at Jen Hatfield's collection, Chasing Adventures. So for the cardstock, you're going to get 2 sheets of sapphire and 1 sheet of lava cardstock. Your 3 pattern papers. This one is called Enjoy the Journey. It has all of the cut-aparts, and this is really fun because they're not only the 3x4, but we have some square ones and then some smaller, looks like maybe a 2x4. So these are really fun to tuck in your little embellishment clusters and do so much on your projects. Love the sweet little girls here. So many cute icons to document everyday moments to even big adventures. The back side is this blue print with a stitched wave design through it. There's also a full branding strip with all kinds of transportation, from taxis to boats, canoes, little sailboats, and even that cute little camper being pulled by the truck. Our next paper is No Drama Llama. So it has these adorable little llamas on a pink background. And the back is a fun stripe in rainbows, and the branding strip on this one are those cute little llamas. This paper, called Flower Market, is on a white with a light blue polka dot background, and then the bright primary reds, yellows, and blues. The back side is a beautiful soft floral print in two-toned blue, and the branding strip are these little yellow flowers. So you can also see with this collection, you're going to be able to pull out multiple color schemes. So that's a look at your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get a 1/5 a pack of the ephemera. So they will vary among the kits, but I got a couple of little girls and flowers, the globe, glasses, and the cute little mug. And then you'll get 1/2 a pack of the thicker phrases. So these are the ones that I got, and they are foam thicker. So these are not the chipboard, they're foam. They're a black foam with the print on the front. So you're going to get not only some words and phrases to create titles, subtitles with, but also these adorable little icons to go along with the collection. So that is Jen Hatfield, Chasing Adventures. Our next collection is from Pink Fresh, called Everyday Musings. This collection is a soft, beautiful color, and again, the embellishments and the motifs in this could scrapbook everyday moments as well as your themed projects. So first, for the cardstock, you're going to receive 2 sheets of white cardstock and 1 sheet of lilac. The pattern paper is this one, called Time for Fun, and has the beautiful little lovebirds with the flowers on a white background. The back is a floral print in a kind of a red-orange two-tone there. This one's called Sweet Escape. It has the beautiful watercolor, kind of a purpley pink with the splatters on the white background. And the back are these, kind of looks like a little flower in green on top of the blue background. This one, called Present and Perfect, is a beautiful jade green floral motifs. And the back is a striped but done in polka dots, and then has fun little phrases tucked in the middle of them. So love goes around, made for this, shiny happy people, pause this moment. So you can see it's perfect for all kinds of projects. So another look at your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get 3 frames. So these are chipboard stickers. You're also going to get 1 layered sticker, so it's already pop dotted up a couple of times. So mine was a heart with a little phrase on the top. That would also give you an idea of making your own embellishments. So if you have punches, you can punch out hearts or other shapes out of your patterned paper and then just layer a little word phrase or something on the top. You also get a 1/4 a pack of the phrase stickers. Those are the ones that I got. And some of the ephemera pieces. So again, all of your embellishments will vary among the kits, but this is a good representation. So I got one that could be used for a title, some little motifs, just super cute. And don't forget, you'll also receive recipe cards for double page layouts, one for each one of the collections designed by the design team, and they'll give you cutting and assembly instructions if you want a little help and a little guidance along the way. You can also find lots of examples using the kits in the Idea Gallery on the ScrapRoom store. So be sure to check out the gallery there for all kinds of inspiration from the design team. So one more look at your double shot kit for March 2019. If you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, please click subscribe and that notification bell, and you'll be notified when new videos are revealed. And come on over to the Facebook group to join in on the challenges that we have going every month, all month long.